Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's class, we are going to talk about genitive case. Let's begin with today's class. First of all, we should understand the meaning of genitive. Genitive gives the meaning of. As I say, the house of a woman, the house of a man, the car of a woman, the car of the woman. This meaning of we express with the help of genitive. Genitive with definite article, with indefinite article or possessive article. We'll see all these different types of genitive in this video. Let's begin with the class. Das Haus, die Frau. Genitive, das Haus der Frau. Das Haus der Mann. Genitive, das Haus des Mannes. Das Haus, das Kind. Genitive, das Haus des Kindes. Let me explain you how article is changed. Die changes into der and der and das changes into des, plus noun takes extra s or es. Now we see complete sentence. Das Haus der Frau ist sehr groß. The house of the woman is very big. Look at the workplace. Das Haus der Frau. This is position 1. And then verb. Ist sehr groß. Das Haus des Mannes ist in der Stadt. The house of the man is in the city. Das Haus des Kindes ist sehr klein. The house of the child is very small. And with plural, das Haus der Kinder. Das Haus der Kinder ist auf dem Land. The house of the children is in the countryside. These are genitive with definite article that make sense of the men, of the woman, of the children, etc. Similarly, there is also genitive with indefinite article. Let's see some examples. Das Auto eine Frau. Genitive, das Auto einer Frau. Das Auto ein Mann. Das Auto eines Mannes. There is no plural of indefinite. We don't have indefinite article of plural noun. So we use with definite, as we said earlier. Now sentence. Das Auto einer Frau ist sehr teuer. The car of a woman is very expensive. Das Auto eines Mannes ist sehr schnell. The car of a man is very fast. Verb position again the same at second place. Das Auto eines Mannes. This is position 1. Ist sehr schnell or teuer. Now we'll see genitive with possessive articles. Before that, we should know what are possessive articles. Mine, your, his, her, our. These are possessive articles. With genitive case, masculine, meines Bruders. Feminine, meiner Schwester. Plural, meiner Eltern. Let's see some examples. Der Job meines Bruders ist sehr gut. The job of my brother is very good. Here der Job meines Bruders, Position 1. Then Verb ist, sehr gut. Die Arbeit meiner Schwester ist gut bezahlt. The work of my sister is well paid. Die Arbeit meiner Schwester, Position 1. Das Haus meiner Eltern ist in der Stadt. The house of my parents is in the city. I hope you understood the concept. There are so many other videos I have made on the same topic. Link you will find below in the description. And of course, target batches are also available for A1, A2, B1 with exam prep as the least affordable fees. The least fees you can pay for the quality education. Links are given below. You can contact us directly. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep learning German with me. Bye bye. Auf Wiedersehen.